Okay, so in this video I will show you some note-taking on my Huion Ink tablet. So let's go to my table cam. We have my table cam here. And here we have the Huion Ink tablet. Let's take out the pen. Like so. An EMR pen. Huion EMR. So here we can do one new note if we want, like this. Or you can use an old note and just do more pages. Up here you can add more pages. But now we have done a new note. So now I can write something. Like so, for example. And here, down here, we can do some, choose another pen, for example, this pen, like so. We can choose different colors, but this is black and white ink, so I don't usually do that because I'm no drawer. I don't draw any pictures and so on, so I just type and write text, nothing else. We can have the line width here, so now I can use this, as you see. I'm very good at drawing, as you can see. But you see, and now we can choose another pen. We can have this pen, for example. And that is the pen I usually have when writing notes and taking notes and so on. Because I think this pen is more like the Weewood's Air Paper mini pen. I love that size of the pen and so on. We can choose another, I think this is an highlighter. No, this is another pen. We can choose a highlighter. I think this maybe is the highlighter. As you can see here, you can see which the name is of the pens, unfortunately. But this is a highlighter. We can highlight something if we want. So that was some of the pens we can choose. Normally most people will have that pen default. Now if we want, we can do one more page and do more here if we prefer. And we can go back and forward between the pages, of course. We can also do some AI stuff. We can have AI convert to text. It usually doesn't do that so good for me because it doesn't know my handwriting's so good. Unfortunate, but you can do that if you prefer. Well, that's about the note-taking. You can have the eraser here if you want. But you can also use this as an eraser if you prefer. But now I can choose that as an eraser. As you see. We can choose the pen again. And we can use this as an eraser. As you see. Works great. But as I said, I don't draw. I'm no artist with pen. So I can't show you any nice drawing and so on. I usually do just note-taking and writing text, nothing else. So now we can close that note, and we can, if I want to share this, I can open it and share it. But that is also something that I haven't figured out how to do because it doesn't work with Google Drive. It's a quite awkward way having the Google services on this tablet, unfortunately. You can have Google Play Store and add some of the apps, but for example, the Google search app you can't install. You can't install Google Gemini, and I can't share to Google Drive from another app. But I can use Google Drive, but I can't share it. So, for example, if I want to share this, you see here, I click share, and now I choose Google Drive. Confirm, and now I get an error that Google Play services are not allowed to do a sharing. Now I didn't have Wi-Fi on, unfortunately, but let's see if we can have that. I choose my account, and now you will see an error soon that I can't share to Google services. We do that again because I didn't have any Wi-Fi. Let's see. Now something happens. All the notifications I get, I think. Well, as you can see, I have problems sharing to my Google Drive account, unfortunately. And now I got a lot of notifications. That was what was plinging. But Google Drive works, but you can't share to it because I don't have the Google Play service allowed or something, it says, so I can't do that, unfortunately. But here we have, as you can see, it works great, my Google Drive account, but as I said, on this device I can't share to Google Drive, so that's unfortunate. But what I can do is to share locally and then upload it maybe to Google Drive. Let's see if that works. We do a share export. We share this document, share, and I share local, confirm, as a PDF, and we confirm that. Now it exports. Here we have it. We try to share it from here, maybe, to Google Drive. Let's see what happens. This is the first time I do that. Or I can see nothing happens. Let's open Google Drive and upload it. Let's open Google Drive. We do an upload, a plus. No, you can't. This is what I mean. Google Drive and Google services are not working so good on this tablet, unfortunate. That is not so good because I want to share my notes to Google Drive, but I can't do that. So that is something that I think is not so good. But the note-taking works. It's excellent for note-taking. It's a nice display to write on. The feel feels like paper. Everything is good for that. But everything is not perfect. So sharing to Google Drive is not so good, for example. But you see here, you can use Google Drive. You can update apps if there is some updates and so on. That works also. We had some updates there, I saw. We have my favorite app, Storytel. For example, Google Translate, Gboard. We can update all three. Meanwhile, we go out to homepage. and Chrome works, and a lot of different apps works perfectly fine, but Google Play service is not so good implemented on this tablet, unfortunate. So here we have Chrome, when we have the start page working and so on, and everything works great in Chrome. So I think that's it for this video. This was some hands-on on the Huion Ink tablet. Okay, bye.